Chicken adobo? Pasta? Kaya ba sa microwave yan? Kayang-kaya with a Condura microwave and these ingredients. 1 pack of fresh habit chicken adobo, 1/4 cup of toasted garlic, and a half kilo of penne pasta. Step 1. Heat the fresh habit chicken adobo in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes at medium-high settings. Step 2. Separate the meat and veggies from the adobo sauce. Then set aside para lumamig ng konti. Step 3. Slice the meat of the chicken adobo into small chunks, then set aside. Step 4. Put the penne pasta in a microwavable bowl and fill it with water. Leave an inch of extra water sa bowl para hindi matuyo. Step 5. Heat the pasta in the microwave at high settings. But you can add 3 to 4 extra minutes doon sa recommended boiling time in the label para siguradong lumambot. Step 6. Strain the pasta and toss in the adobo sauce. Then top it off with the strips of meat. And finally, add the toasted garlic. And just like that, meron na tayong chicken adobo pasta! Like and subscribe for more microwave tips and recipes from Condura!